How to customize your Notebook LM response style. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to customize response style in your Notebook LM. It's gonna be very easy step. So first you can go to Notebook LM website and then you can click create new and then you will be in this page. You can go ahead to click this one to configure chat. And as you can see, notebooks can be customized to help you achieve different goals like for research, help learn, and show various perspective. So you can change the conversational goal or style. You can choose learning guide if you want to learn something in Notebook LM, or you can customize it by click custom. There is some example, like respond at a PhD student level or something like that. You can choose whatever you want. I'm gonna choose learning guide because I want to learn something in Notebook LM. Then you can also choose the response length. I'm gonna choose longer. I think it's better to get a longer response. So I think that's it. And then you can just click save. And yeah, if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.